Hey everybody, this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at The Great Escape, a Six Flags park, but not in name. So, this is not an original Six Flags park. This is actually a park that years ago used to be called Storyland. And I'm going to take you through the original section here because there is so many unique things that pretty much when you think of a Six Flags park, this is the opposite of what you see. So right here is the entrance, and as you come up this way, this takes you into the original story land. And of course, it's themed to all these different castles and Mother Goose and everything here. You got the pumpkin carriage there. You got the beautiful fountain with the castle. And as you go up this, it is a little steep. You have the sky ride up here. And it gives you a good little view of the entire park from up here. But when you climb the top here, right here's the castle, first thing you're going to see is, of course, a shoe. And you know what this is. There's a woman that had so many kids she didn't know what to do. And each one of these houses and things that we're about to see actually can be taken inside for people to sit in there. So this is the old woman in the shoe. That's the story. So as we come around this section here, you've got all these houses and all these little things that, you know, basically tell you the story of the storybook land. So we're coming down the hill from the old woman in the shoe. And we'll go through some of these houses just to show you what everything is here. But like I said, so we're going to check out the pink one first. So each one of these houses has a little work to it. Here's Miss Murphy's boarding house rules, little books. So that was the pink house. We'll go right next door to the blue house to see what's in the blue house. Here you got a little desk. You've got lawyers upstairs. Of course, nobody can climb that. And as we come over here, let's check out the greenhouse. So each one of these houses is themed towards a little story of a little village. So that's what makes this park a lot more special than typical parks. So right over here is the church. Of course, we're going to go into the church here. If you look at the church here, wow. You got the pews, you've got the organ, you've got everything here. So this literally is a little town all here. We'll check out the school district here. School district number 2. So here's the classroom setting, got the flag, got the chalkboard. So you got a hat shop, you got blacksmith. So that stuff's all pretty cool there. Come over here. What else we got here? Wells Fargo store, a Barbara. And here you've actually got a carriage. Now here you actually got Six Flags and Friends. And there's a sign here, general store. So let's see what's in the general store. You got a sign here with all the different things you can buy. Colville store here. But over here is the whole area. But we're going to go in and check out the ghost town section now. I have not been in here yet, so I have no idea what we're walking into. It's in this giant rock formation. And right here we're actually behind the fountain. That's where that is. So as you wrap around, let's see what we're walking into. So this is kind of really neat here, how they have so many different things that are pretty much what this section is here. Now of course we're going up a big hill, which is kind of unique, but you're actually inside a rock here for Ghost Town. So I'm curious to see what's on the end of this. Apparently they are easily scared. And all it does is take you up to another section. So what that ghost town was pretty much a way to get up the hill, which then takes you to this mine area here, which is, of course, you can search for stones. And there's a few more sections here, so we're about to hit the ghost town area there, which is what they call that section. But there's some more facades here. But as you come down here, right there's the original rock wall. Once you come back down this way, we're almost done with the story town, because even though you got the fountain, you got the ghost town entrance there with the general store and everything here, as you go down the main drag, there's still different things like the magic shop, and you still got these smaller little places too. Like right here, you actually got this wooden cabin, which is Little Red Riding Hood's grandmother's log cabin with the big bad wolf that you walk into. Right there's the wolf. There's Little Red Riding Hood. So you can see the whole theme there. When you come over here, you actually have Moby Dick. Of course, you all know Moby Dick, the whale who bit Captain Ahab's hand. Now this whale is actually giantly pink, but it is kind of neat that you can actually go through and actually look through there. Now, of course, this section used to just all be little houses, but it is now Six Flags owned, so of course now you have games. But you got, every one of these has little houses and stuff and little nooks and crannies for kids to explore. So even though they did put a ladder thing here, there is actually some additional houses over this way. And give you a perspective, right there's that castle that we saw in the beginning. Now this is the butcher's. And there's all the meat you can buy. And there's one more little area here, and then we'll be all done. So here you've got, looks like Pinocchio's house. You got Pinocchio right there. And right there's this house. So this is the storybook section, or story section, of Great Escape. I hope you enjoyed walking through all the little buildings and stuff. And have yourself a great day.